Hey, it's Jules
and
and Daisy. Welcome to day 3 of our 25-day Christmas countdown art and give challenge. What you'll need today is a picture frame, or you don't have to frame it. You can just give it to someone or put it on the wall as it is, or put it on your refrigerator with a magnet or whatever. But we're going to do a watercolor today, and we've been invited to a 26th annual cookie exchange in our neighborhood here up in the foothills of Denver, Colorado. So we are going to make the hostess a hostess gift. So what you'll need is a frame if you choose to put it in a frame. We have watercolors. So for the watercolors, you'll need a cup of water to rinse between colors. I like to use a squirt bottle, but you don't have to use a squirt bottle. Brushes, a Sharpie marker, and a pencil, and then some watercolor paper.
Special watercolor paper.
Yeah. So we've gone ahead and drawn out our sketch. Show our friends your sketch.
You can do whatever you want.
You can do whatever you want. Since it's the 26th annual cookie Christmas exchange, I'm going to write that. As you can see, these are all little cookies. This is the snowman cookie, a candy cane cookie, other little cookies with kisses on them, a Christmas tree cookie, a star cookie, and this is a ornament cookie that houses the text that I want. So when I use watercolor, a little tip and trick that I like to use is to take a Sharpie marker and trace over my lines in marker, over my pencil lines, and then you can paint right over it and it looks so cool. So go ahead and trace out your drawing, whatever it is that you want to draw, and then trace it over with Sharpie marker, which we are about to do now. So let's get started. Okay, so I have a Sharpie marker with a nice sharp tip, and you can start anywhere you want and just quickly trace over your lines.
And don't trace over the lines that you don't need. Right?
Mm-hmm. We've got a squirt bottle. We've got our colors here. Sometimes I work from the top down. Other times I go from the background to the foreground. I think today I'll go from the background to the foreground. I'm going to use my medium brush. We probably won't even use that big brush today.
I will.
Yeah, and I'm going to use this blue or this blue. So I put 2 or 3 or 4 drops of water with my squirt bottle into the color. And then you want to count to 10 and mix it up so it's nice and thick, not too runny, not too thick. It looks like I need a little bit more water in there.
Oh, I messed up.
Oh, that's okay. There's no messing up in art, remember. So just rinse out your brush, go over that with water and thin it all out and spread it out. And, ooh, mine is nice and thick and looks really good. Creamy, yeah. It does look creamy. So I'm starting with a beautiful blue sky. I can either paint around all these little snowflakes, or I can go right over them like that and just put little dots of white over top at the end. So there's 2 ways that you can do that. Every time your brush runs out of paint, just grab some more paint. Every time your paint runs out of water, just add a little bit more water. Okay, and all of these paints, what's great about these watercolor paints is that they all will overlap each other. So there's no way that you can make a mistake really, because you can just wait for it to dry and then paint over it. So now I have a water cup. So in between colors, you just want to rinse your brush in the water cup. Now I'm gonna move over to a beautiful light green. I want to use a light green for my mountains because it's kind of snowy. Okay, now that I've finished my watercolor drawing, I'm going to put it in the frame and get it ready for the party to give to our hostess. We are so happy and grateful to be invited to the cookie exchange party today. And it's been so lovely making this art for our friend, the hostess. Let's see, I'm so excited to see it. Woo! That looks really good. Let's see yours, Millie. Great job. Thank you so much for joining us today. Day 3 of the 25-day Christmas Countdown Art and Give Challenge. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a day. See you soon.